op avontuur, schatje?
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line, like leaves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, the soft touch your hand in mine gets me every time. Lost in the city lights, our love's electric right. You make me feel.
Hey, hallo. Cutie. Cutie patootie, die is jouw mama. Cutie. Oh, yeah. She's like, where's my bottle?
Mama gaat je... Nee, sorry. Mama gaat je dingen schrijven. Mama gaat je bento verschonen. Gaat papa je fletje maken. Ja, schatje? Hm?
Hi, baby. Hello. Wil jij deze? Wil jij deze? Wil jij deze, mami? Ja? Oké, baby. Oké, let's go eat. Ja. Enjoy, baby.
Zacht,
Enjoy,
rustig, zacht,
baby.
rustig.
Enjoy. Is jouw bordje gelaten? Alright. Are you ready for bed again? Okay. Oh. Going back to bed, baby? Are you going back to bed? Yeah? Okay. Go back to bed, mommy.
Kom, we gaan nu eten. Kijk mama. Kijk mama.
Good morning. Good morning, Kusi.
Kijk mama.
Good morning, Safi. Good morning. Hello.
Zeg no pictures, please.
Hello.
Zeg no pictures, please. It's
Good
too
morning,
early.
baby.
Kom.
Good morning. Good morning, baby. Hi. Good morning, mamas. You ready for your bottle? Huh? Oh.
Waar je handen toch?
Oh. Good morning, Leafy. You're so cute. Good morning. Yeah. Good morning. Sweet face. Hi, sweet face. Oh. Gaan we jou eventjes opfrissen? Gaan we je opfrissen? Gaan we je opfrissen, grote meid? Gezondheid! Gezondheid! Gaan mama en Safi vandaag ook weer op een adventure? Gaan mama en Safi op adventure? Heeft Safi daar zin in? Heb je zin in wat frisse lucht vandaag? Gaan we op avontuur, schatje? Ja? Gaan wij dat doen, liefie? Gaan wij op avontuur, schatje? Ja? Oké, kom, we gaan jou aankleden en dan flesje, oké? Ja? Oké. Ja. I'm vlogging on my phone because I grabbed my camera. What do you know? It doesn't have a SD card in it. I was so trying to leave as soon as possible because I know she was gonna fall asleep as soon as we would leave the house. You know, as soon as she catches fresh air, she falls asleep. And look at her now, sound and asleep. Look at her, sound and asleep. Hi Amiga, we are back home. I have fed Safi because she was hungry, and I also like changed into something a little bit more comfy, but I thought I would give you like a little haul of the interesting stuff. I got Safi some new items. I got her this little, how do you call it, this little onesie, and then I also got her this little body. What is it, mommy? She was just crying and wanted to be on mommy, so that's why she's in here. But anyways, this little body, this is so cute. I have a onesie from this and a little legging, and this is the only thing that I was missing, so I'm really happy with it. And it's also cute to mix and match with other leggings and stuff. And then I got her this little two-piece set, these little shorts. Oh my god, look at the little ruffles. And then this top for on top of it. So cute. And I hope she can wear this during summer. It's in size 50, which is still the newborn size, but she's still like 50 is still too big for her. So I hope in like maybe 2 months that this will definitely fit her. But yeah, that's what I got for her. And then for myself, I got 2 tops at Monkey. I got this cream little top, really simple and like basic, but it has like a little detail on the neckline that I thought was cool. And then I also got this top, which I really like, and then with just a basic black tank underneath it and like some cool makeup look. I think this can be a slay. Jolie Cosmetics, that's the main thing that I went to the city for. I got hair dye just in jet black, and then I got the As I Am double buttercream, just a small size for when I do like little braid outs and stuff. An Eco Styler gel, and I got a leave-in conditioner from Shea Moisture. And that is everything. I also got some stuff at Albert Heijn, but that's not really interesting. It's just 2 mixes for soup. So I got those 2. And that was it, I think. I didn't get like anything other than that. And oh, and yogurt, because I want to make like this matcha yogurt bowl. So I got that as well. And it was really nice to be in the city, be outside with her. Whenever she's fussy, going outside really does the trick. So that was a good call to do that. She slept the whole time. So she was really good and I'm really proud of her. And then what else? What am I gonna do now? Right now I'm just gonna relax. I'm going to have dinner. Benny is also almost home. He finished working like 30 minutes ago, so he should be home any minute now. But we have dinner from yesterday that we made for 2 days, so that's great. It's just pasta, so I'm gonna have some of that in a little bit. And I'm also gonna try to tidy up the room. I wanna change the bedding in our room, change her bedding for her little co-sleeper. Yeah, little things, you know, but nothing too crazy anymore for today. That's the only things that I'm gonna do. So yeah, I'm gonna see what I can do with her in this carrier because I don't know what else to do. Today I have my checkup appointment. It's just so crazy that I'm not here to be checked with a baby in my belly. The baby is here. Like, it's just crazy. But so happy and so grateful, you know. Everything went well at the doctor's and now we are at Starbucks so that Savi can have her little bottle and I can have a little coffee. So yeah. And feeding her was a success. Okay. Hello, baby. Hello. How are you 2 months today? How are you 2 months, my little chunky? Huh? How? You did so good. Mama is so proud of you. You did so good. Are you gonna change your nappy? Are we? Okay, let's go change your diaper. See you when I like to check it. trying to finish like some pancakes and I just can't because my baby just keeps waking up. I'm training her to sleep by herself in the room, but she keeps like crying every few minutes. I think I'm gonna save the rest of the pancakes for when Benny comes home, and then I can bake them in peace while he just spends time or checks up on her. But it's going quite okay actually, because this is her second sleeping window in which I'm trying this, and Rome wasn't built in one day, so we baby steps, literally. Baby steps. We're working on it. I really want her to be able to sleep independently so I can utilize the time that when she is asleep that I can get my stuff done, because it's kind of important too, but we're working towards it. And I'm not gonna complain because I was able to finish dinner, which was the most important thing. The pancakes are just something extra, but I made kale stampot, which is just mashed potatoes with kale, and then I made schnitzels and also gravy. And then, yeah, I have the pancakes that I can finish later. I baked 3 actually, but I ate 1 of them just to try. And they're not too sweet, but really, really good and rich in protein since I use Greek yogurt instead of normal milk, you know, so. Oh my God, I've been on the couch for 40 minutes waiting for Benny to get home. And what do you know, sis? In that 40 minutes, Safar did not even cry 1 time. So I feel like I wasted time, but at least I'm getting to know her routine a little bit. So, you know, we're getting somewhere with this. But I'm continuing with the pancakes, and I feel really happy with all that I was able to do today. And slowly but surely I'm figuring out this motherhood situation and figuring out how to cater to my daughter's needs, you know. And I'm really proud of myself. Pancakes are done. Steaming hot.
Hey! Wat is thuis, hè? Wat is thuis? Ben je nog geweest? Huh? Ik zag je zo lekker slapen, maar je moet eten. Kom, pampertje verwisselen. Goed? Jee!
Wat is er?
De gravy is goed.
Thank you.
Als we te veel soepproppen en door gaan eten, gaat mama af en toe lekker voor je koken. Kijk, de lachen!
Morning, Amiga. It is yet again a new day, and I am currently in the process of making myself some breakfast. Safi is asleep. She's taking her nap, hopefully a good one. So, but we'll take whatever we can get. I am going to make myself some breakfast now, and then after that I'm going to try to get myself together because today it's 25 degrees in Celsius, and I think I want to go take Safi on a little walk. So that would be great if we could manage to do that, but I look crazy as you can see. Yeah, that's mom life for you, but you know, we can both profit from a little bit of fresh air and some sun, so we're gonna try to take advantage of that today. And yeah, I'm now gonna make myself some breakfast, and hopefully I can also shower after having breakfast. So yeah, let's do that, because mom life, you need to use your time wisely. Alright, I managed to make a quick breakfast. I have a sandwich with some pepperoni on it, a matcha yogurt bowl with bananas and blueberries, and a cup of chamomile tea. I also have the baby phone here so I can hear if Safi wakes up. But bon appetit! Somebody woke up from her nap while I was still having breakfast, so we had to change her, fresh her up, and put her in a little outfit. Hey, Safi? We had to do that, huh? Yeah, so hopefully she will go to sleep so I can get myself ready and we can still go outside. I'm gonna try to make that work, but she always comes first, of course. Baby? She loves the artworks in our house. I'm going to throw my hair in a little bun because who has time for anything else right now? I need to wash my hair anyway, so it's not a big deal. And since somebody doesn't want to sleep in her bed, she's now on me. Yeah. Safarcha, she's trying to fall asleep on me, and I'm not allowed to move too much. I mean, the problem is easily solved if you just sleep in your bed, you know. Okay, anyways, I've been suffering from all these hormonal breakouts, and I'm not gonna lie to you, they're doing a number on me, okay? They really are. So I don't know why. Of course I can leave my house like this, it's not really an issue, but it is really, really annoying. And I've been using the Cuddly Vinyl Pure line. This video is not sponsored by them, but I did work with them on Instagram and on TikTok. It helps to calm the breakouts a little bit because some of them are really, really painful. And I do feel that they dry out faster, but they keep popping up. I don't know, it's just really annoying. It is really annoying at this point. Yeah, it's part of motherhood. The hormones are hormoning. And I did not have any issues while pregnant as much. Well, I do have to say, this has been happening since the last trimester, but it's getting worse and worse, and I hope it just stops really soon. But I think my body is just going through so much, producing milk for my baby, and just all the hormones of being pregnant, now letting go of those hormones. It's just a lot for our body. So I kind of get it, but I just don't like the way it looks, as I think nobody really would, you know? And I do have to cut myself some slack because it's totally normal. A lot of people go through this, and pimples and breakouts are normal, but I'm not gonna lie and say that it doesn't bother me, because it does. And we're now gonna do a little makeup.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring the sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer, but when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. But when we're floating up like helium.
Makeup is done. I'm gonna throw on some lip oil in a second, but I'm gonna try to finish getting dressed, maybe put on some jewelry and stuff, some perfume, figure out what I want to wear because I still haven't, and then I'll be back with you. Alright, amiga, I managed to get myself together. This is the outfit. Cream color jeans, cream color top, basic Adidas Sambas, and Safi is also matching. Hello. Hello, baby. Now let's go on this walk that I've been wanting to go on the whole day. Let's go, finally. The sun is sunning. Not even 5 minutes in, Safi's already asleep. She was throwing up though, so I had to put like a little bib on her, but she sounded asleep. I got home and I am now cooking dinner, and then after that I think I'm gonna get my nails done because look at the nails, they need to be filled. So think I'm gonna do that.
Back, 'cause the whole world's outside. Sun in my eye, a curl in my ride. Head in the sky, we gon' make it if we try.
Safi is down for a nap and I'm currently pumping some breast milk for her. Yes, I have a busy schedule today. Yesterday was Sunday and I wasn't able to wash my hair or do any of my self-care routine. So that is for today when Benny comes back from her work. He has the early shift and he will be home around 5:30. So I will be able to wash my hair and do my little self-care routine then, because yesterday I had a video to upload and I didn't upload in a week. I skipped the previous week's upload and therefore yesterday I really needed to upload a video. Yesterday was really one of those days and I'm really happy that I did that, because even though I am home with Safi, I really want to upload consistently on YouTube, and if I wouldn't have, like, it's so easy to fall off again and I really don't want that this year. So yeah, that's that. But now I'm pumping milk for her, watching a YouTube video while I do so. After this I'm gonna try to do some cleaning. Yeah, I tried to do my own nails on Saturday and it came out pretty okay looking, but one nail came off. It peeled off this morning, and that's just because I didn't properly do it on the nail, so I have to redo that as well, but I'll show you that later. So hopefully I can manage to do that, but I can even do that with her in the carrier, so maybe I'll do that later. But yeah, that's what's up. Yeah, this morning I made myself a delicious breakfast. I really had time to enjoy my baby. I spoke with my sister. So what more could I ask for? And it's also a really rainy day. I love that. I love that. Better days will come back soon, hopefully. Taking a nap with the baby. We had dinner, I pumped milk, I did all my mommy things, and now it's time for me to have my everything shower, take care of myself, do some self-care. So yeah, let's go.
got faith.
Here's your bitter goodbye. Let go. Feel the speed of my ride. Let go. I got faith by my side. I'm blaming you. That's right, I'm blaming you. How much you need, but you messed up, you made my heart bleed. Now I'm free, forgetting all those days, 'cause I want more from this world. I crave sunsets and oceans, and the cherry blooming day. Release me, I'm moving on. Feel the speed of my ride. No worries no more, no, no. Here's your bitter goodbye.